Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today we have another no-name car. It only says made in China, but I know that this is a Lancia Stratos and I love this car. I think it's such a beautiful car, and it was, I think, a rally hero as well earlier. Nothing special on this one, but I like this car and I would like to repaint it. I'm gonna do it red. I'm not gonna do the rally version because everybody does that. So I find a couple of pictures on internet how this car looks in red, and I'll follow that guideline. But I do like this car. I think it's a very pretty car, very nice sports car. So hopefully this will turn out nice as well. So let's get started. This one was easy busy to open. Yeah, so we got the suspension, which is good. I think it's a metal plate, so the wheels coming off easy. And we got very simple interior, just two seats really and a steering wheel. And the window is attached, so I need to drill that as well, but very careful. Come out, but a piece broke out, but that's alright, you're not gonna see that. But these models are really difficult to take apart. Compare that, they are very cheap models. So I need to work on this a little bit, but it will be alright. So let's get started with this one. So here we have our Lancia Stratos finished. What I've done is I painted red and I put some clear on it, so it's nice and shiny, and I hand painted the spoilers on it. And I love this car. I think it looks beautiful, and this is a very nice sports car. I think this is one of the nicest Lancia ever made, so I'm really pleased with the end product. So no door handles though, but I think it looks fantastic. And I also painted black the front grille because I did look up on internet, and that wasn't silver, chrome, that was black. And I also polished up the windscreen, which is not too bad. And I haven't touched the wheels because I think they are perfect, so I would just make them worse. So let's assemble the car then. So I put the windscreen in and I put a little bit glue, so that looks all right. And I also put the wheels in position, and it's just the interior left. So I hand painted the seats and the dashboard, which is very simple, but at least it looks black. So and there will be only one screw in this one. So the Lancia is now finished, and I'm really happy how it looks now. What I've done is I hand painted the spoiler at the back and on the top, and I didn't touch the wheels because they were perfect. I painted the grille black and the car red and with a clear finish. So I think it looks fantastic, and for a cheap model it really came out nice at the end. So I'm really happy with this car. It looks actually brand new to me. So I love this car. I think this is a beautiful sports car from Lancia, and it really stands out from the others. Somebody said to me today, this car looks like a European Corvette. So I think it's a beautiful car. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you did like this restoration, please give a thumbs up, and leave comments down below what do you think of this restoration. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as well, so you can see my future videos coming. Thanks for watching. See you at my next video. Bye bye.